In AutoCAD Electrical, there is other option in order to insert PLC, which is available in the Schematic tab of Ribbon and Insert Components panel and is named PLC full units. The difference between PLC parametric and full units is that PLC full unit allows you to insert the ready-made PLC modules. When you select this tool, the Insert Component dialog box will be shown, and all the PLC fixed units are available. You can select your desired unit and then select the module. You will be prompted to specify insertion point, and after that, the Edit PLC module will be shown. You can see the addressing area which contains first address edit box and is used to specify the first input-output address for your PLC module. In the list box here, you can select the available input-output address. The other selections are drawing and project. When you select, for example, drawing option, a list of PLC addresses that have been used and the current drawing will be displayed. The project selection is same as drawing, but it shows all the input-output point addresses used in the active project. You can specify the tag name of PLC module in this edit box. The other option that I'm going to explain is catalog lookup, which makes it possible to specify the catalog information and search for your desired catalog in the catalog browser dialog box. By selecting OK, you can exit from this part. The other area is for specifying the point description of your module. There are 5 lines for descriptions. You can write here your desired descriptions. Also, you can use pick button and from the current drawing, choose the description that you want. Note that every time that you want to define a description, it will be added to the specified address point. For example, here this address point is entered and in the lower part of this area, I mean next button, when you select the next button, the address point will change to another one, and again at this part, if you enter any description, it will be specified to the address point written here. For example, I want to add description to this point, so I select this by using next button and then write in the description edit box my desired value. In the next step, I can choose OK to see the results. At this moment, you can see the description you have specified to the address point that you defined. Also, you can change this point's name. To do that, and moreover editing the information of this module, you can just right click on it and select the edit component. As you can see, the Edit PLC module dialog box will be shown and you can edit the values that you want here. As I mentioned, I wanted to change this address point, so I write a new value, and by choosing the OK, you can see that the change has been done.